Welcome to learn about GANGER CNC 4-axis stone automatic production line GQ-3220BL. This equipment features a complete automated processing workflow. The table tilts to 85 degrees, with the suction cups automatically adsorbing and gripping the slab to complete the loading process. The conveyor belt then transports the slab smoothly to the processing area. During this transfer, the integrated positioning system ensures it is accurately delivered to the preset machining location. The cutting head immediately begins cutting according to the program design, capable of producing straight cuts, cross cuts, and shapes such as diamonds, rectangles, and triangles, as well as 45 degrees chamfering. Meanwhile, the system simultaneously prepares the next slab for loading. As soon as the first slab is processed, the second slab automatically moves into the work position, enabling seamless, continuous, and highly efficient production.